Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the main menu shortcut keys for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also we do upload videos daily. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just so you guys know, this is going to be a little mini series about shortcut keys. It shouldn't be too long, as this program does not have too much to cover. And then just on shortcut keys itself, or some people call it hotkeys, it is kind of using a combination of keys, sometimes single letters or single keys, to do the same actions you could normally do with your mouse. Now, not everything has shortcut keys. They normally only assign it to things that is most important, or items and tools that you use a lot. Now, I personally love combining this with my mouse, so I'll be using shortcut keys and working my mouse because it speeds up my work process quite a lot. When I was younger, I used to know someone that only used keyboard, and I was rather surprised with how quick they could navigate their operating system. I mean, I could not keep up with my mouse the way they operated it. So it is definitely, if you want to increase your speed of your workflow and so forth, if you get familiar with this, it will definitely do that for you. So like I mentioned, we're going to be looking today at the main menu shortcut keys. As you can see over here, we've got a nice little letter behind each name. I've briefly covered it in the UI mini series. So over here you can see we've got F for file, E for edit, D for draw, S for config, W for handle, T for tool, and so forth. So now this will work as you'll go press your Alt key on your keyboard, keep it in, and let's say we want to open file, so it'll be Alt plus F. This will open it. Now you can either go with your keys on your keyboard up and down to navigate to the right one, and then you simply just press enter to save it. Or what you can do, you can also, should I say, if you, let's say we go there, you can press escape to cancel it. So if you didn't want to do anything in that menu, and double escape to cancel the top menu. So if I go Control F, escape, now we can navigate through these menus. Just press down and you open, and escape again. But now another way you can do this, so let's say we go for Alt F for file, and if there's more than one key, or if there's, let's say you want to open something, you can simply just press O then, and it will automatically go to the open dialog view. So you can Alt F, O, and then it opens. Or you can go Alt F, and let's say there's something like save and save as, where there's multiple ones. So now if you press S, it's going to go to the first one. So you can either press enter now, or if you press S again, it will navigate between the two. So if there's multiple options, so like import or image, just press I, and then you can see it navigates through them. So you can use that to also quickly navigate through different options. But now, as you guys saw with the open, so if there's something with not multiple options, so let's go to the edit menu, Alt E, and then you can see we've got the move tool. So now this can actually be, if I click on it, you can see it checks it with a checkbox. So if I go Alt E, press M, okay, let me go to selection tool so it is off, so you guys can see on the canvas. So I go Alt E, M, and then as you can see here, now we've activated the move tool. So it is rather nice. Let me another example. If we go Alt V for our view, and then you can see here's a draw option for the draw toolbar. So if I click that, our draw menu here on the left disappears. So now to get it back, you go view, draw, and as you can see, I mean, even when I'm quick, it takes some time, where if you can go Alt VD, it's way quicker than using your mouse. So I would definitely recommend get comfortable with shortcut keys. You do not have to know all of them. I will make a separate video on the most important ones to know, in my opinion, and then but yeah, we will cover that in another video. Otherwise, that is it on the main menu, how to navigate it with shortcut keys. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.